Hi and welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to explore how artificial intelligence can recreate the process of human birth. Let's dive in. Imagine a world where technology can redefine the process of birth. But is it really possible? In an advanced laboratory, artificial intelligence analyzes an egg as a symbol of the beginning of life, but this is just the start of the story. With incredible precision, the human genome is injected into the egg, a bold step that challenges the boundaries of science. Inside the laboratory glass, the egg begins to change. On the monitor, the earliest stages of human embryo formation are displayed, a symbol of the fusion of science and technology. A perfect harmony of life and technology. A moment where nature and technology converge. As the future is clearly taking shape.
Wow!
All of this has been created with the help of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, using tools like Leonardo.ai, immersity.ai, and the fascinating prompts provided by ChatGPT. Now, we enter the Leonardo website, click on the image creation button, paste the ChatGPT prompts, and generate the images. Then, by clicking download, the images are saved to your computer and ready for use. To create more images, we repeat the same steps, entering the site, adding the prompts, generating the images, and downloading them until we have the perfect set for our project. Now we enter the Immersity website. Here we turn the images into 3D. Next, we export the 3D image from Immersity and download it, ready for use in our projects. And for other images, we do the same, exporting, downloading, and preparing them for use in our future projects. Thank you for watching. Can you guess what our next video will be about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you like to see?